I'm going to show you a couple of ways how to increase or decrease your volume here on your iPhone 7. As you can see, this case I have on my iPhone 7, it's hard to get my finger in here to mute. Also, these buttons, they're very hard to press. As you can see, I'm pressing them, but it's very difficult to do that. But I'm going to show you a couple of methods. The easiest, just swipe up. And there at the volume, just put your finger on it to increase or decrease. Okay, you also have another method. Only thing you have to do is go to settings. And under settings, you want to find your general. You want to push the general. And under general, you want to find the accessibility. Once you hit accessibility, you want to scroll up until you see assistive touch. And then what you want to do is turn that on. And once you turn it on, you're going to see this little square right here. It's going to fade out, but it's going to be a light fade. You can see it. But hit your home button, and say for instance, you push it. You want to hit the device here on the right. I'm going to zoom in. Once you hit the device, now you have your volume control. You could increase it or you can decrease it. You can just hold your finger on it, or you can just touch it a couple of times. So let's go to YouTube and turn on some music so you can hear and see what happened. This is one of my other videos. You could probably hear the music. So I'm gonna go through the process. I'm gonna do the swipe up. So you can move it around and just drop it into different spots. And it always go to the corners. You can't drop it in the middle. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.